I'm making this tea vision because I need to see in the future. Illuminati confirmed. I know it says espresso patronum, but it's tea, I swear. Oh. Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes.
Okay, 8 minutes and counting.
Hi everyone, my name is Roxy and I'm an Hufflepuff! Short story. So, a few months, weeks, days ago, I posted a video in which I sorted in the Hogwarts houses Game of Thrones characters. I had the best time filming that video, and today I'm gonna do a similar video because you guys wanted me to sort some YouTubers. So I asked you on Twitter, Instagram and community, boop, 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 and you guys told me so many names. And today I'm gonna do a cute thing. Something different! Because in the English video, you're gonna see some English speaking YouTubers. In the Spanish video, some Spanish speaking YouTubers. In the Italian video, some Italian speaking YouTubers. So if you wanna check out YouTubers that speak different languages, if you wanna practice another language, or if you wanna give me some love, give some love to those videos. Because I put so much effort in editing these videos, guys. I edit with love. Watch those videos, I'm gonna leave them in the and in the description box. And now, let's start. So let's start with Zoella. Oh my gosh. Okay, I follow Zoella, but I don't really know. Did she ever say it? I'm not sure. I have the vibe that she's a Ravenclaw though. She wrote books too, right? I don't know, I have this vibe that she likes to research and learn stuff. What do you guys think? Next! Cornor Franta! Yes! Oh my god! Cornor Franta is for sure 100% a Ravenclaw. I can see him studying stuff in a coffee shop. That's how I envision it, thanks to my vision tea. Or maybe he's drinking tea. I don't know, but I think he's a Ravenclaw. Next! Shane Dawson. Shane Dawson likes to work a lot. So, I think he's really hardworking and I think he's a nice person. In real life, I've never met him, I'm not sure. So I would want to say that he's a Hufflepuff, but he could also be a Slytherin. I think he wants to act as a Slytherin, but deep down in his heart, he's a Hufflepuff. He's not nice with his friend that likes Harry Potter though. He's always like shutting him down and he cannot talk about Harry Potter, and I really feel bad for him. So maybe he's a Slytherin and he's hardworking because he wants to reach his goals. Next! Colleen! The creator of Miranda Sings. I think Colleen, she's a Hufflepuff because she's so nice. I think she's so nice. I like to say that. So nice. So, hardworking, nice, Hufflepuff. Me! That's what I think. Oh my gosh, what happened to my hair? What is happening? Oh my god. Okay, what else? Simply Nailogical. Simply Nailogical, she's hilarious. And I think she's more like a Gryffindor. I can see her having like crazy ideas and like she's just brave and she's just putting it out there. And she's having fun about it. She could be a Slytherin, huh? She could. Because I can see her really focused and like, I'm gonna do what I need to do and I'll do it and I don't care! She's the one with the 100 layers of nail polish, right? I think so. Slytherin! Next! Who else, guys? Who else? Glam&Gore! I love her so much! And she's so nice! And she gives me a Gryffindor vibe a lot. So I think she's a Gryffindor. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot wait to read the comments on this video and find out what you guys think. Okay, I think that's it for today. If you have more names, let me know in the comments. I'm so excited to publish this. And that's it! And that's it! I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see another episode. And most importantly, what other YouTubers you want me to sort into the Hogwarts houses. And also let me know if you agree with my decisions or not. As always, I say hi to these people who sent me cute messages, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah. Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv, you are watching
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv, you are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.